Ever notice how the most powerful transformations happen in silence? The more you open your life up for display, the more people find ways to drag you down. That's why disappearing intentionally is powerful. And when you reappear, it shocks the world, because the only opinion that matters is yours. Step 1. Shut your mouth. Not because you're weak, but because you're human. Your next chapter demands mystery. Stop speaking about your plans, even to friends or family. Let your silence become your fortress. What they can't see, they can't sabotage. Step 2. Care only what you think. They weren't in the room when the vision was born. They don't need to approve your becoming. Respect yourself first, and the world will follow. Hide your plans. They're sacred blueprints. Every time you share a goal, your odds drop. Don't trade power for praise. Because when your plans stay sacred, your focus stays sharp. Step 3. Hide your progress. Don't post your new habits, wealth, or body. You don't need to prove anything online. Just stack wins in silence. As Ryan Holiday wrote, "Be silent. Let your success speak for itself. Hide your pain. You'll bleed. You'll cry. You'll doubt yourself. But that's where real strength is born. Not in comfort, but in quiet struggle. So patch yourself up in the dark. Don't broadcast the bruises, because pain shapes power, but only when it's owned, not shared. Growth isn't supposed to be glamorous. It's supposed to be private. That's the path I chose. Not because it was easy, but because it worked. In silence, I built discipline. With discipline, I built habits. With habits, I built systems. And with those systems, I built freedom. Eventually, you won't want to reappear. You'll fall in love with the grind. Peace becomes your prize. Silence becomes your strategy. And when they finally ask, "Where have you been?" just smile and disappear again. What's one habit you're building quietly? Drop it in the comments. Let's grow silently, but together.